Beshalach, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parsha for the Geulah, which means for the redemption. Geulah means redemption in Hebrew. This is article 16 because Beshalach is the 16th Torah portion. This week's Torah portion is Beshalach. The word Beshalach has a numerical value of 340. This is very significant because the number 340 is also the numerical value of the word Sham, spelled Shin Mem. It means there. You might ask, what is so special about the word Sham? The answer would be not so much the word Sham itself, but the letters Shin and Mem that spell the word Sham. Sham means there, and it is spelled Shin Mem. There's another word that is spelled with the same letters, except it's pronounced Sam, spelled Sin Mem. But in Hebrew, Sin and Shin is the same letter, basically. It's just a different sound, but it's the same shape of the letter. Sam means he placed. In the context of the verse that we're about to read, it means he gave them. And it is spelled the exact same way. Sam. Sham, Sam. Our Parsha, Beshalach, is the only time in the Torah, to my knowledge, and I looked pretty extensively, that two words that are spelled in the exact same way have two different meanings, and they are right next to each other with no letter between them. In one verse. The verse states, Sham Sam. Just that way, with nothing between it. Sham Sam. In the story of when they came to Marah, and the water was bitter, and they did not have any water to drink, the verse says, Vayitzak el Hashem, Vayareu Hashem eitz, Vayashlech el hamayim, Vayimtiku hamayim, Sham Sam, Lo Chok u'mishpat, Visham nisau. So he, meaning Moses, cried out to the Lord, and the Lord instructed him concerning a piece of wood, which he cast into the water, and the water became sweet. There he gave them, Sham Sam, there he gave them a statute and an ordinance, and there he tested them. Exodus 15:25. Rashi says on these words, Sham Sam, there he placed, in this verse, in Marah, he gave them some sections of the Torah. In Sham Sam, he gave them Chok u'Mishpat. He gave them some sections of the Torah so that they would busy themselves with them, namely the laws concerning Sabbath, the red cow, Parah Aduma, and the laws of courts or justice, or the laws of a Beit Din. This comes from Mechilta and Sanhedrin 56b. We see that immediately after the splitting of the sea event, which is a big part of the exodus of Egypt, even before they came to Mount Sinai, where they received the Torah, they were given some portions of Torah to study. They were given portions of Torah to study before receiving the Torah, which is interesting. Even before they collectively said, Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do and we will hear. Concerning the Torah and the commandments, how were they given Torah before they said, we will receive the Torah willingly? For the next Gematria, we have our good friend Benzi Altman to thank, who shared this Gematria, which will answer that question. he shared this Gematria with me about 2 years ago. There is no separation between the exodus of Egypt and the giving of the Torah, because the words of leaving Egypt equals accepting the Torah, quite literally, and in this case, numerically. The numerical value of Yetzias Mitzrayim, which means leaving Egypt, is 891. And in fact, the numerical value of Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do and we will hear, which is what the children of Israel said before they received the Torah, has a numerical value of no less and no more than 891. Shabbat Shalom. Have a great Shabbos.